Today, I'm going to make Hiroshima-style Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a popular Japanese street food. There are mainly two different kinds of okonomiyaki, Kansai-style and Hiroshima-style. While the Kansai-style mixes all the ingredients together and cook it like a pancake, the Hiroshima-style is more complex. It features noodles and lots of steamed cabbage. You can enjoy the different layers of ingredients too. By the way, Hiroshima is one of the most beautiful and interesting places in Japan. If you have enough time to explore Japan, I highly recommend visiting there. Okonomiyaki sauce is an essential sauce. It tastes like Worcestershire sauce, but a little bit more sweet. We also use Yakisoba noodles. Dried bonito flakes are optional, but they add umami flavor. Smaller packets are also available. Cut cabbage into thin slices. 5 tablespoons of flour. 100 milliliter water. Stir and mix well. Set 1 tablespoon of the mixture aside. Heat the pan and add oil. Spread the flour mixture in a circular shape like making a crepe. Add dried bonito flakes. If you are a vegetarian, you can skip this part. Put lots of cabbage on top. Cover the cabbage with sliced pork. I got the pork for Korean samgyeopsal at an Asian supermarket. If you are a vegetarian, you can put some sliced cheese instead. Sprinkle salt and pepper generously. Pour over 1 tablespoon of the mixture that you set aside. Cook it with medium heat for a few minutes until the flour is cooked. Flip the whole okonomiyaki vigorously and put the ingredients back inside. Cook it with a low heat for 5 minutes. In the meantime, cook yakisoba noodles in a different pan. Add 1 teaspoon of water to the noodles. Steam them with low to medium heat for 4 minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of okonomiyaki sauce and mix well. Shape the noodles in a circular shape. Put the whole okonomiyaki on top of the noodles. Press it with a spatula. Cook it with a low heat for 5 minutes. In the meantime, crack 2 eggs on a pan wildly and make a circular fried eggs. Put the whole okonomiyaki on top of the egg. Place the okonomiyaki egg side up on a plate. Put okonomiyaki sauce generously. Put mayonnaise. I'm using Japanese mayonnaise today, but American one works too. You can make mayonnaise art using chopsticks if you want. That's it. Enjoy!